In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tooltips in draw.io. If you want to update the little text that appears when someone hovers over a shape in your diagram, the good news is that it's very quick to do. Tooltips are useful for adding extra context without cluttering the diagram itself, so this can be a helpful way to make your diagrams more informative while still keeping them clean and easy to read. To begin, make sure you're inside the diagram editor and looking at the diagram that contains the shape you want to update. Find the specific shape that already has a tooltip attached to it, then click to select that shape. It's important to select the correct object first because the tooltip settings are tied to that individual shape. Once the shape is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Edit Tooltip and click it. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up displays the current tooltip text that's already assigned to the shape, so you can review what it says before making any changes. Now you can edit the tooltip text however you need. You might want to correct wording, add clearer information, shorten the message, or replace it completely. As you make changes, try to keep the tooltip concise and useful. Since tooltips are meant to provide quick extra information, shorter text is usually easier for viewers to read and understand at a glance. After you've finished modifying the text, click Apply to save your changes. That will update the tooltip for the selected shape. And that's all there is to it. Once you click Apply, your edited tooltip is in place. If you want, you can hover over the shape afterward to confirm that the updated text appears the way you expect. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you're building diagrams that need a little extra explanation without adding more visible content to the canvas. So whenever you need to edit a tooltip in draw.io, just select the shape, right-click, choose Edit Tooltip, update the text in the pop-up and click Apply. It only takes a few seconds, and it's an easy way to improve the clarity and usability of your diagram. Or